Hello. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my latest videos. In this video I'm gonna show you how to copy text from a protected website. This is only possible on your Android phone or iPhone. There are many videos out there on how to do this process on your PC, but trust me, I have checked them all but none of them work. I'm surely going to upload another video on how to copy text from a protected website using your PC. First, open Chrome, then, open the web page you want to copy text from. For example, I'm taking learncbse.com for this video. Next, download the web page or save it offline as shown. Then, turn off internet connection, that is mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now, open the downloaded web page. Long press, select and copy the text you want to copy. Paste it in the Microsoft Word app, and save the document on your phones. If you want the document on your computer, you can copy the file to your computer. Don't forget to like and share my videos.